listening?
Hey y'all, it's Kim with the Can. I'm coming to you guys with a new video on some new hair. And in this video, I'm so excited because I will be showing you guys from start to finish of how I slay my units, y'all. I think it came out pretty good. I'm still trying to figure out the whole baby hair, frontal type units kind of thing, but I think I did pretty well. So, and also I know if you follow me on my Snapchat, you guys have been hearing about me using elastic bands. I don't know where I've been. I've heard about them on YouTube. I'm just so lazy when it comes to my like units, but I was like, you know what, Cameron, try the elastic band. And when I tell you guys, I'm hooked like a drug addict. Okay, y'all, I love elastic band methods. I literally, like when I did it on my first unit that I did, when I tell you I did like 2 other units in that same night, I was so excited. Like, these elastic bands, y'all, will save your whole wig life. Like, ain't no more flaps, ain't no more hair not laid. What Wig 2017, these elastic bands are coming through for Poppingtonville, okay? So, Poppingtonville, we are now on elastic bands. Everyone go out to Michael's, that's where I got mine. Or, even better, in this video, I'll be talking about this unit on my head. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I got this wig sent to me from Premier Wigs, and they actually gave me an elastic band. I was so hyped, y'all. I was so hyped when I saw the elastic band in the box. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the specs of this unit. But first things first, thank you so much for reaching out to me, Premier Lace Wigs. I truly, truly do appreciate it. I've seen a lot of big YouTubers use them, and I'm just like, little old me, thank you. Seriously though. So first things first, y'all, I got a discount code, $10 off. Just use my name, Cameron. Just Cameron. Right, just like that. That's it. It's with a K. I hope you know that by now. But so this unit is their loose curly silk top lace front wig. It is their Brazilian virgin hair. I have her in 22 gorgeous inches. It is in the natural color. The texture is loose curly. The size is a medium size, which is an average size. The density is 120%, which is like the normal density. And then the lace top color is light brown. And the silk top is 4 by 4 inches. So I think this unit is absolutely gorgeous. It's perfect. It has combs in it. They provided elastic band. I'm just really, really, really enjoying this unit. Overall, I haven't washed it or anything yet. I'm so excited to wash it. And y'all, when I tell you I'm about to be slaying this wig, it's just like, y'all, like, this silk, okay, let me just take a second. The silk base, that really does, do y'all see that? What wig? What wig? Like the silk top, I'm addicted now. Because at first I was like, I mean, what's the difference really? I see the difference now. So if you haven't tried a silk lace closure or anything like that, definitely try it out. Lately I've been really loving when units are sent to me that are already put together. I just really don't have the time to make units now. And honestly, it just gives you guys a better idea because there's a lot of people out there that don't know how to make their own wigs. So here you get to buy the custom wig already made with the human hair bundles. They have a variety of different textures, types. You can dye it yourself. It's just an alternative for the people that don't know how to custom make their wigs. Or if you just like don't have the time to do it like me and you're like, yeah, I'm gonna have to just get the unit already made. Cause yeah, this unit is absolutely amazing. Like sometimes you gotta just let the professionals do it. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not like, I don't have my cosmetology license or anything like that. So that's just a little tip. What else? So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling because I just love this unit and I could literally go on and on and on. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the clip of me unboxing the unit. I will show you guys literally, like I said, from start to finish how I slay this wig, y'all, cutting off the lace and everything. Like, oh, one last thing. My makeup look. Yes. I have recorded this look, so it's either up already or it will be up. It is the like single slayage, you know, Valentine's Day kind of anti kind of look, you know, slayage, slaughter, single game, you know, I don't know. But yeah, so let me stop talking. I'm still rambling. I keep saying that. But yeah, let's jump into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is what the packaging looks like. Super, super cute. I love when companies actually put effort into their packaging and not just throw it into a bag. But yeah, there's the wig and some papers. And then they also provided a elastic band. I was too excited because that's like my new thing right now. And then they have Jayla and Alicia J on the little cover thing. So yes, the brochure. So here I just took the unit out. It's really, really long. And I was like, oh, shoot, y'all. What did they send me? What did they send me? But it's so cute. Like, oh, my gosh. Like, I'm in love with this unit. Like, I'm in love. But anyways, so here it just shows you the specs about the hair. It's Brazilian virgin hair. I have her in 22 inches. And all the other details will be down listed below. As well as my discount code. I did put it in the earlier on in the video, but I will leave everything down in the screenshots below. So here there's 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb on the bottom, and an adjustable strap. So here I'm just showing you how to use your adjustable strap. I'm sorry, actually there's no comb on the bottom, I don't think. It's just 2 combs on the side and 1 in the middle. But anyways, so here I'm just showing you how I put the adjustable straps together. I literally put it on the tightest loop I can, and I put them both on the same loop as you see right there. So super easy, really tight and secure, not going anywhere. So here I'm just going to brush all the baby hairs and all the hair back so that when I cut the lace, I can try my very best to not cut the actual hair, y'all. But when I tell y'all, I still cut a little bit of the hair. I try not to, but it'll be alright, it'll be alright. So yeah, here's what the hairline is looking like. I'm so excited. I was like, y'all, it's looking good. So here I'm going to cut the lace off in the front, as well as there's lace on the bottom, as you see right there, towards where the adjustable strap is. I'm going to also cut that off as well. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I do that. It's really not that bad. It's just follow the hairline, as they kind of like already give you a guide. Just follow that. Make sure you're not making it too straight. I know it kind of looks like I'm doing it straight here, but I'm kind of doing a little bit of curves, as you can kind of tell maybe. But think about your hairline isn't straight across, so you don't want just a straight across. It's gonna look fake. Okay, I'm gonna see where your hair ends and the lace begins. But here I'm just pulling gently. It looks kind of like I'm doing it rough, but I sped it up. But I'm just pulling gently on the unit so I can get kind of that little extra hair out of the way. So yeah, I didn't get too much shedding. So this is what my braid pattern, well actually it's flat twist pattern, is looking like. My hair's growing, y'all. Yeah, it's come through. Anyway, so I'm trying to put heat in my hair, so I just kind of do flat twist now. It's just easier for me rather than trying to do little bootleg cornrows, because I cannot braid. But I have 8 of them. Sometimes I do 6, sometimes I do 4, but 8 makes it look a lot more flatter. So here I'm using a nude cap. Sorry there's holes in it. When I put bobby pins in my wig, I put it through the wig cap. It'd be alright. But yeah, I have a nude one here, but honestly, I prefer black, but just lately I've been using a nude one. I don't know. I think I switched to black now. Yeah, I'm using the black one now, but this is what the hairline is looking like on. You can still see the black dots, but y'all, it's still going to look really natural. Just wait until I slay this unit. Okay. Y'all see how it flaps up right there? That's so annoying, and I never could figure out what to do. I don't want to use glue. I don't want to use tape, and I bought the Got To Be Glued, which is actually gel, so I was going to try that, but I was like, you know what? Let me use this elastic band, okay? But look at that part, okay? It's a silk-based top, and when I tell y'all that silk-based closure part, slash frontal, or whatever y'all want to call it, it looks great. So here's the elastic band. They actually gave me a thick one. I usually use the thin ones. Well, lately, that's what I've been doing. And they give you a guide on how exactly to use it. So I kind of basically, I just followed that. That's exactly what I did. I followed that, and it was really easy. So here, I'm just measuring it on the back of my head. Excuse my kitchen, y'all, okay? Let me tell y'all, I usually get a lineup. Plot twist, or not plot twist, but little secret, I usually get a lineup, but I haven't got one in a while, so it's looking a little rough in the kitchen area. But so I just measured it and cut it, and then I have my little bootleg, you know, sewing, about to make a unit kit little thing in a little Ziploc bag. So I just have some black thread, and I just showing you guys the thinner type of elastic bands that I use. And then you need a curved needle to sew with. Here I'm showing you how to thread it. I told y'all start to finish. I'm showing y'all all the background, how to do it. You just stick the thread. I use black thread, by the way. I think I already said that. But you're going to just thread the needle, and then I'm going to show you how to get a knot on the end. I don't know. I feel like a lot of videos, they don't really show you how to do this, and I had to just wing it. Well, actually, I learned how to sew like way back in middle school. But so yeah, here I'm just going to even up the ends of the thread. That's what I'm doing here. And once you get them even, you're going to wrap it around your finger, as you see right here, and just kind of like, you're going to push it down towards the end of your finger and kind of like curve it, as y'all see right there. I hope I'm doing a good job of showing you guys and explaining it. But yeah, you're just going to curve it on your finger, tighten it up a little bit, and then boom, there's a knot. And that's all you have to do to get a knot on the end for threading. So here you're going to place the elastic band right near, on this unit, right near the combs, basically where that flap area is. Because remember when the flap was flapping up, you do not want that to happen. When the wind blows some and you flap all up and now your scalp is all exposed instead, like, let me stop. So yeah, you're just going to sew it down, and I sew under and up. Under and up. I think that's how you say it. I'm no professional, okay? But look, I sewed it down and it stayed. So that's what matters. I'm also going to show you guys how I knot it, because I'm going to sew like just regular through it, but on each notch, I don't know if that makes sense. You see right here, I'm going to make a knot. I hope that didn't make no sense. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm going to go through it, and then I'm going to go through it the second time. But that second time, see, here's the first time. Tighten it up. Make sure the thread stays even. And then the second time that I go through, I hope I do it. See, yeah, I'm going to wrap around the thread like 2 or 3 times. Wrap the thread around the needle about 2 or 3 times and pull it, and it'll make a knot, y'all. Like, that saved my life too, because it makes sure it stays secure. So you should get something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to be in the back of your head. Ain't nobody got to see it, but the flaps will be laid, okay? So this is what your finished product should look like. It's actually harder once you already have the other one down to put it on there, but yeah. So you're just gonna flap that on and pull the wig down, and boom. What's up? Oh, what's up? Oh, what's up? Okay. I was hot. This unit's gorgeous. Look, ain't no flap. What flap? Flap where? Wig what? Hashtag what wig 2K17. Like, what's up? Okay. So, yes, hairline. Yes. And just pull it back a little bit. Y'all, I was really feeling this unit. Like, I still love this unit. What? Elastic bands? Where have I been? Who else uses elastic bands? Comment down below, because I know I've been sleep. So sleep. Like, knocked out. Alright, so you're just going to pull the unit and make sure it is secure. As y'all see, I'm giving y'all the slayage. Ain't no wig. What? I'm telling y'all, the wig was not going anywhere. I have no bobby pins. I don't even have the clips in, okay, at the front. Like, because I really just hate the way clips feel in my hair after a while. But, yeah, I'm just going to brush all the baby hairs to the front. I'm still working on the whole baby hair thing. This video was actually the first time I really did something to, like, the baby hairs. I usually just use my own. So I probably should have did it a couple more times and then uploaded a video. But look, okay. So I actually have gotten a lot better than this video. So don't judge me. Okay. But yeah, I'm just going to cut it. I started cutting it longer than how I actually wanted it. Just to make sure I didn't cut it too short. Like just from the jump. So here I'm just going to cut it as short as I want to. Cutting little by little as I go. Because you don't want to just mess it up. And then you got like 2 strands of baby hair. And it's looking crazy. So. But you also don't want to have too much, too, because then it's going to look fake. But, yeah, I'm using my Gorilla Snot Glue gel. Gorilla Snot gel. It's gel. Not glue, my bad. Here, I have nothing on the toothbrush right here. I was trying to figure out what I want to do, if I need to cut it or something, which I should have cut it. And I ended up cutting it, but it was off camera, and it was another time. But, anyways, I'm rambling. So, yeah, you're going to take your gel or edge control. I just use this because I ran out of my edge control. And this is more secure, and it will also help your unit stay. So, I was like, let me just use this. And this toothbrush, no, it's not a toothbrush I use to brush my teeth with, okay? Get you some baby hair toothbrush. Get you a baby hair toothbrush. Lay them things down. Look, I was struggling, okay? Struggling. I'm giving y'all the realness. Struggle, okay? But it's going to actually turn out pretty good. But I ended up cutting the baby hairs more because they just were a bit much. And as you see, they're just too long. They're like going all in the hair, but it's going to work out. So, yeah, you just wrap your hair. It really takes no time for it to dry. Like, no time for this stuff to dry. That's another plus because edge control, y'all, it be taking way too long to dry, and I just don't have the time. So, yeah, some pieces were just trying to hold me back because it was just too long. But I'm going to go in right at the top right here because you kind of saw the black dots. I'm going to fill that in with the stuff that I usually use. It's the L'Oreal powder foundation in the color Cappuccino. I usually use for, like, my parts and stuff, but yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I think it looks really good, really, really natural. So, yeah, guys, as you see, it's super easy to part, and y'all, it took, like, nothing to lay this wig. I was going to try to do the got to be glued thing, but I really just wanted, like, the elastic band, y'all, you don't need the got to be glued. You don't even need the Gorilla Snot. I just use this because I ran out of my edge control that I usually use, which is the argan oil and the little red, you know, top thing. It's right here, actually. I have it. So yeah, I usually use the Cream of Nature. This for my edges, I love it, but as you see, it's gone. I need to go to the store and get some more. So I just use the Gorilla Snot, which actually this is just like an extra hold because it actually is going to hold the wig as well. And it also dries faster than edge control. So I just love this stuff. So definitely try it out if you haven't. I got the travel size to try it out. It was only $1.58, so that's not bad at all. But yeah, y'all, I'm just really, really feeling this unit. But before I depart, let me go ahead and, y'all know, do my little spin around so you guys can really, really feel the slade. Okay? That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to give you guys a full slay on how to slay your unit type video. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll try to do more of these, more like styling and like actually doing something with the units rather than just like reviewing them and showing you guys. If you guys like that, definitely leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much Premier Lace Wigs again for sending me this gorgeous unit. I'm absolutely in love with her. I can't wait to take some slay photos for the gram. If you are not already following me on my Instagram and my Snapchat and my Facebook, definitely check below so you guys can go follow me there and stay up to date on everything. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Later.